Please tell him. I don't want to come off. Tell me something I don't want to come off. Please.
Alright. Maybe talk to him. For now, finish drink your tea and eat your biscuit. Kareem know about this?
No. But him did a call off my phone because him come and say the shop lock early. So I tell him send me talk to him because I don't feel well.
How much longer you think you can hide this from him? I always say to you, Natonian, say doing this kind of job and having a full-time relationship not going to work. We have to decide.
Bubbles, I don't know ya, man. Because I really love what I do.
Onions, me love what I do too. But see them, me drown myself in a work and me not have a man.
You not have a man yet?
You have a man to give me?
Well, you have him already.
Listen to me. I don't know where you and Whisper think about. Me and Raymond Savage don't have anything. Look here. Finish drinking your tea and go put on your clothes. We're supposed to meet Mr. Mullins soon.
Wagwan, man.
Bubbles, why you stalking me?
Tonian!
Next time you go to the supermarket, get condensed milk. This creamer thing not working.
Sir, am I ever going to have any privacy?
Actually, yes. Matter of fact, I'll return the key you gave me in case of emergency.
Oh, that key.
Yeah. There's a possibility you might need to give it to someone else.
Don't. You need a...
The atmosphere in here has suddenly become very savage. Was it something I said?
Sir, we're all here. Let us talk.
Actually, no, we're not all here. We're missing...
Alright, sir. I know he's not here.
He who? Yeah, but let me explain why he is not here. Everything has been more or less wrapped up. Andrew has been disposed of. So I sent Savage out to get Chinese. You eat Chinese, right? Everybody eat Chinese, right? You eat Chinese, right? I thought you would. Yes.